Founded in 2022, Shandong Zhonggrun International Trading Company Limited is located in Jinan City, Shandong Province, China, enjoying convenient transportation and beautiful environment. Shandong Zhonggrun International Trading Company Limited is mainly engaged in the research and development and sales of cemented carbide and cutting tools. Our company has rich experience in machining industry. The main products include turning tools, milling cutters, CBN, PCD, and milling cutters, taps, thread tools, drilling tools, holders, reamers, and other CNC tools, as well as metal working tools. Our products are widely used in mold manufacturing industry, automobile manufacturing industry, shipbuilding industry, aerospace industry, medical device industry, machinery manufacturing industry, and many other fields. We are also committed to developing new products to meet the different requirements of different customers, especially for the difficult processing of the workpiece. We can provide feasible solutions and technical support, advanced technology, and professional engineer team, product mold research and development support, and undertake OEM, ODM customized services. Each link has perfect and strict requirements and testing. To ensure the quality of each product to meet the different needs of customers, our product model is complete, sufficient supply, professional service, high-quality products, and competitive prices. Our products have been sold to many countries around the world and won the praise of customers. Warmly welcome customers at home and abroad to visit our company to negotiate win-win cooperation. We wholeheartedly serve you.